Up guys, and welcome to another video of craziness. Today we have the wood guys. We have the wood. That's basically what we have had in the last few clips and videos, guys. But unfortunately we have nothing more insane to do than this. Oh my god! Jeez. I could have done much better than that with two hands, but since I gotta hold the camera, I can't do that. So maybe I can just do this with one hand. Like this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. What the heck, guys? That literally sounded like an explosion. So, speaking of explosions, guys, the last video we were here, we did a block explosion. I truthfully felt painful to do that. Not only because I was going to get in trouble, which I didn't. Guys, I was actually really positive that I would. And I found 2 blocks under the table, plus 1 block over here, near over here, guys. I don't know where it is now, but I probably picked it up or something. Oh, here it is, guys. Look at this block. Look, do you see this block? Look at that. It was on the floor. It was on the floor. Wow. And I really thought I picked up all the blocks, but I guess I didn't, guys. So, found 2 blocks under the table while I was cleaning the blocks up. Then I found this one on the floor, so I wonder if there's still any more. Guys, let's try to make it into the basket. Dang it. I'm going to do this one way or another. I'm going to make it into this basket. Guys, look. Whoa. Maybe I'm throwing a little bit too hard. Yeah. Way too hard. Alright, I'm just going to... Oh, I know the problem. Look at this basket, guys. Oh my god. Oh, maybe I can just leave it like that and then make the basket like a goal. Look at this. Oh, nice one. But in all seriousness, I want to make it into the basket without it being tumbled. So guys, let me just blocks in the basket. Yeah. It's like an explosion right here. It's like the blocks exploded again. Like in the last video, guys. Oh. Alright, I'm really gonna put them all in the basket. Oh man, there's still a whole bunch more. Hopefully I can make them all. So I'm gonna just leave 5 leftover outside for me to throw and try to make inside the basket. I'm gonna get 5 blocks out of the basket. Wait. All blocks need to be together, not separate. So, there it goes. Alright guys, we just get 6 blocks out of the basket, guys. I mean, 5. So that I can try to make it into the basket, guys. Okay, let me just try to align myself to the basket. No, straight. I'm gonna try to aim. Dang it! Oh, dude, guys, I was so close. If I can't make it again, I've got to make the explosion again on the couch. Ready, set, go. Oh! I lost, guys. Now I gotta make the couch explosion, guys. Oh, look. Nice. Wait a minute. I thought I was gonna do it 5 times. That was only 2. Alright. Ready, set, go. Oh! Guys, I made it. But this still won't stop me from doing what I'm about to do right now, guys. If you want me to shoot this in portrait, which I want to shoot this in portrait because I love portrait. And ready? Portrait is my favorite thing. Whatever. Ready, set, explode. I'm kind of scared of the loud noise it's going to make, but explode. Look at this. Oh, God. Okay, there is still a block inside the basket. I'm going to get it out and... Oh, my God. Guys, look at this. Do you see this? Oh, my gosh. I'm going to scatter them. Ready? I'm going to scatter these blocks. Oh, maybe a little bit too far. I'm going to try to keep it near the couch. So I can't make them off of the couch and make a big mess, okay? That's not happening. Oh, no. I'm trying to make it on the couch, not everywhere around. Ow, that hurt. What am I trying to explode the whole house? Alright, you know what? I'm stopping. Apparently, a whole bunch of them are landing on the floor, guys. Wait, is there one under the... What the heck is this? Guys, do you see this? Maybe that could be a new camera hole. No, in all seriousness, I don't even know what this is, guys. What should I do with this, guys? It's like a... Guys, honestly, this is shaped like a donut. Like, I'm not even gonna lie to you. Really? This is a donut? What the heck? Wait a minute, that was a block. There was a block over here. Guys, I'm gonna be honest to you. I think some of the blocks went behind the couch. Why? Oh, look, there's one right here. Are you sick? Should I know? Are you hot or what? Oh, whatever. I don't even know how to tell if you're sick, but yeah, I don't know. Guys, I'm gonna try to figure out what the heck is going on here, guys. Well, I mean, after all... Oh, God, there's one right here, guys. Look, there's one right here. There's one right here, too. Oh, my gosh. That goes in the pile of exploded blocks. Shoo. Oh, gosh. Let me see if there's blocks over here somewhere. Guys. There's got to be blocks over here. I mean... They did scatter everywhere, so there gotta be some blocks over here, or at least like somewhere. Oh crap! What the heck is this? Okay, there's no blocks. Let me see. Guys, there's probably blocks behind the couch. But I can't go behind the couch because probably won't fit. Like honestly, guys. Okay, let me try to find more blocks. Oh, great. You know what? I'm just gonna keep on making explosions, guys. Mini block explosions, or maybe some might be huge. Oh, guys! I just realized there's probably blocks up here. Wait, I turned the camera upside down. Maybe there's some... Oh, look at this, guys. Look. 2 blocks are hanging out up here, just chilling right there. Let's see if I can... Oh, crap. Oh, holy crap, guys. I just slipped off the top of the couch, and now, look at them. Look at the blocks. They're all scattered now, like they were. Except in a big higher, as if a storm range has caused a big eruption. Holy crap, guys, did you hear that? I'm gonna go hunt for some blocks now. Wait, plenty of them are on the floor now. What the heck? Someone right here. Okay. What the heck? Some landed so far, guys. Look at this. Some landed right here, guys. Oh my god. Should go back here. Oh crap. Let me see. Any on this couch? No. Great. Great, guys. I'm still gonna check over here, like somewhere. Okay, it couldn't have landed that far, so I'm not gonna go ahead. I'm just not gonna go any more further. All right, guys. Yeah, I guess. Oh my God! Look, there's one right here on the couch. All right, guys. Here goes more mini explosions. Shoot! Stirring and it erupts. Ow! I have to tell you the truth. That hurts. I guess it's. Oh, what? Ow. What? The heck? Oh crap! Oh my God, guys! There was more under the table here. All right, there you go. Let me see. Oh, guys. There was one on the pillow. Alright, let's see. Ow. Alright, none landed over here, so. Maybe some landed like somewhere over here, guys. Alright, guys, the last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna just stir them with the pillow, guys. Like, we're gonna go like this. Yeah, we're just gonna move the pillow back and forth, and yeah, we're gonna see what happens. It's just making a big mess of everything, guys. Yeah, I think I'm done. I'm done, guys. I'm done. On the couch. What the heck? On the couch. What the heck? It's kind of fun doing this. Oh, too far. Too high.
I'm making so many fun.
And you're bored of that? Crap. Shoot.
And the friend that I just...
Shoot.
And the friend that I just... No, I said he wants to date.
Oh my God. You know, it's kind of creepy when people say that. Like, have you even get to know him? Crap. Like, you can't date somebody you... Ow! You just met... Ow! Oh, crap.
Oh man, he even has his shirt off.
That's pretty much gross. Like, then people see your inside. Pretty much. Okay, guys. I guess that's pretty much it for the video. I'm gonna clean the couch up, but maybe not now. Oh, crap, guys. Anyways, guys, if you enjoyed this video, guys, more videos. Oh gosh, look, there's a block right here. More crazy videos will be on the way, guys. But in the meantime, peace out.